So good afternoon all. This is our project Marlin 5th Avenue. You can see this is a bare flat of 1320 square feet sellable area. So you can see this is the video door phone. So come inside, it's a grand living cum dining area. So in front of you, you can see this is the terrace with beautiful view of Salt Lake Sector 5 and the EM bypass with beautiful water bodies view. You can see clearly the Eastern Metropolitan Bypass. So now come this side. So this is the toilet space, kitchen with L pattern countertop with refrigerator space, and you can see the size of the kitchen. So now this is the lobby space. On the right hand side you can see this is a bedroom with a size of 12 feet long into 11 feet with a wardrobe space, an excellent view of EM bypass and water body. So now come this side. On the left side you can see this is the second bedroom with attached washroom, separate space for bathing, and you can see the size of this room and a big size French window with a breathtaking view. Now come this side. This is the common toilet area. And this is the third bedroom with another attached toilet. And this bedroom is having wooden flooring. And also two big size French windows with breathtaking view of Salt Lake Sector 5 with some natural water body view. So this is a 3 BHK, smartly designed. So if you like this video, then please come and visit the project once. You definitely like this project, and according to location, this is on the hotspot of Sector 5, Newtown, and you can see the external elevations of the building. It's already getting complete. Handover is very nearby. And if you can enjoy the nature, then this is your ultimate space for enjoying the nature and the beautiful winds. This is the posh locality, and the flats are for some selected few of you. So it's a premium apartment. So if you like this project, then please call us. Our number have been given below, and we are having some great deals, some bank schemes also, and some great offers. So come early as soon as possible, and thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for further updates.